We have been doing a lot of cartoon stuff lately, haven't we? Today will be no different. We are doing ramen tacos from We Bare Bears. Now, like everything else on the internet, this was done before. This was done by Jimmy Wong from Feast of Fiction. Great channel, go check him out. He did a Mexican-inspired, but just with a ramen shell, but like a traditional taco. I don't think that that's the original intent from the ramen tacos in this show. If you think about it, Daniel Chong, creator, Singaporean Chinese, right? Chloe, their friend, is of Asian descent. San Francisco, the city that they're based out of, has a big market for Asian street food. I think this is supposed to be either a Chinese-based or Korean-based, most likely Korean-based, just based on the different kind of street tacos that are around. I think this is supposed to be like a Korean-based taco. No, something's bothering me. We need to cut this beef up. We need to slice this beef up before we marinate it. We need to get that surface area increased so the marinade hits as much of the meat as possible. Now, if you look at the actual taco picture of the taco from the show that is served to the bears, which they hated to begin with, it's white and fluffy. Like the main component of it is white and what's white and fluffy? Mashed potatoes, rice, marshmallows. If there's being served a mashed potato, rice, marshmallow taco, I'm sure I know why they don't like it. It could be also like a white fish. I'm not sure. So we're gonna try to do some tacos that are closest to what we actually see them being served on the show, and then we're also going to do one which I think is going to be a super boss, awesome street food Korean ramen taco. We forgot the pear. In this meat, there's often pear in the marinade. We will puree it. We're gonna take the marinade when we cook the meat. We're gonna take the rest of the marinade that's left. We're gonna reduce it into a sauce. We're gonna add the pear in at that point.
Whoa! Is that the ramen taco? Lucky.
I think Jimmy wins the battle of the ramen shells. Our shells are too flaccid. It's not gonna work. Our shells I need my noodle to be rock hard like Jimmy's. Alright. Let's taste these. Let's find out if they're really... Why do we even make a rice one? These are gonna fall apart. It's honestly not that bad. It's just very, very boring. There's no reason to ever have a ramen taco with rice filling. It's just so boring. This is the most boring taco I've ever eaten. At least the shells are staying together. I'll give it that, but the shells are way too flaccid.
Spongy.
You know, I gotta say, I thought this one was gonna be super boring too. This one's actually pretty good. It's not a 10 out of 10, but it's something definitely edible. You could definitely put on the menu somewhere. And it's tasty. And I could see people ordering this a second time from somewhere. This is the one we really care about. This is the one we want to know. Is this really good? Is this worth all the effort that we put into it? I feel like it's gonna be awesome. If it's not awesome, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Yes. This is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I am very happy with this. I'm disappointed with the shell being so floppy, but you really don't even taste it. It's noodles. They have not much flavor anyway, right? So noodles, egg, flour all went into it. It's just a vessel to hold the awesomeness that is the spicy, sweet, brown sugar, and all the different Asian flavors in both the slaw and the meat. And it is definitely awesome. So if this had a crispy, better done shell, would I order this from a taco truck? Absolutely. I would absolutely order this from a taco truck. 100%. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try out the recipe, even if you don't like the ramen taco shells, which we didn't do a very good job making in the first place. Try it out with the rice. It actually works really, really well together. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you as always in the next one. Every Monday, next Monday. I'll see you then.